It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it. We have been spending about the last hour in the new boat shop here at ShipShape TV, removing stanchions and bow rails and side rails from an older 17-foot Boston Whaler Montauk. Hey, well, good deal, you made it. Hi, I'm John Graviscus. Our first guest today is Mike Borelli, and Mike is the owner of Matan Marine up in the Boston area of the country. And Mike, you are known as the world's best Boston Whaler restorer that there is.
Give me a big head, John.
You were kind of saying, hey, John, why don't I take Taylor White's boat? She's the one that won the Are You Fit for the Ultimate Refit competition. Why don't I take Taylor's boat up to my shop, you bring your film crew, and let's do this thing right. Let's get rid of the wet foam. And we've been trying to dry out this foam for the past year to no success. Okay, we put moisture meters on it where we began, still current moisture meters, the same amount of moisture is in that foam. Just tease people at home on some of the things that we're going to be doing to the boat.
Well, John, as you know, the foam retains water. Once that water gets into the foam, it's almost impossible. It is impossible to ever get rid of all the water. So
Sure.
The only way of getting rid of that water is to remove the foam. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting the deck out of this boat. One of the compromised areas that are common on this type of boat is the chaser tube. Chaser tubes let water in over the ears. The other thing is all the drain tubes. Over
The transom's wet.
Oh, the transom.
We found that certain areas in the hull side were wet. And does that mean that we're literally going to cut out the deck, dig out the foam, get to the foundation of the boat, maybe reinforce it a little bit?
We will.
We're going to cut out the sides, again, dig out the foam, maybe even put in a new transom for Taylor?
We are. We will end up putting a new transom in.
This
for
is
Taylor.
going to be so cool, and we're going to be in Boston in just a couple of weeks. But guys, today's program is going to be, thank you, Mike, it's going to be jam-packed full of tips and information. But where we need to begin is we need to hear from all the great companies in the marine industry who help make ShipShape TV possible. So guys, give them kudos.
ShipShape TV, where boat improvement lives, is made possible by the entire collection of beautiful Sunbrella fabrics. Sunbrella, the only fabric to offer both design and performance above and below deck. By Boat Outfitters, your source for replacement hardware, custom king starboard doors, tackle centers, and more. Need it? They'll build it. Visit BoatOutfitters.com to update or customize your boat today. By Yamaha, reliability starts here. And by the TaylorMade Group, leading marine manufacturers of original and replacement boat tops and covers, windshields, windows, and hard-to-find replacement parts, aftermarket accessories, our all-new custom T-top covers, and more. Let us help you make your boat look shipshape again.